Hello students, I am Ujashpita Safalta from New Vivekanand Convent High School, Chhal. This is your second online grammar class. So in previous class we discussed tense. In this class we will discuss about voice change. So let's get started. What is voice? Voice is a term which is used to describe an action, whether it is active or passive. And what is active voice? Active voice is what subject does. कर्ता क्या करता है. What subject does. And passive, its focus is on action. किसके द्वारा क्या किया जाता है. Let's take an example. He teaches English. ठीक है. वह English पढ़ाता है. Here subject is doing an action, and in this sentence passive, English is taught by him. Focus is on action. English उसके द्वारा पढ़ाई जाती है. There are certain rules which you should learn. ठीक है. After learning these rules, you will understand how do we change the active voice into passive voice. There are subjects which are changed into object. For example, here in this sentence, he became him. So, you just note down these rules with me. He becomes him. She, her. We, us. They, them. Who, whom. I, me. And you and it, they remain as they are. You का you ही रह जाता है and it का it ही रहता है. First rule and second rule, V1. Wherever in sentence the V1 is used, it changes into the third form of the verb. V1 always changes into V3. He teaches English. English is taught by him. Here teachers became taught. Okay? Here I have tried to make the things lucid and comprehensible for you. You just need to learn this table. You have already learned the tense. You know the recognition of 10 sentences. Now we are learning how to change a sentence, how to change an active sentence into passive sentence. So first we start with simple present tense. I gobble cake. Cake is gobbled by me. यहाँ पे by लग जाता है. And previous rules as we discussed, subject जो है आपका वो object बन जाएगा. ठीक है. And object जो है वो subject बन जाएगा. And जहाँ पे भी V1 यूज हो रहा है वो V3 हो जाएगा. Second, present continuous. I am gobbling cake. Again, cake object है, ये यहाँ पे subject बन गया. Cake is being gobbled by me. यहाँ पे एक नया ये being add हो रहा है. Okay? Simple past tense. He played chess. Chess was played by him. जैसे present में is था, past में बस was हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Second, past continuous tense. She was playing guitar. Guitar was being played by her. जैसे यहाँ पे आपका am था, फिर ये is हो गया, ये यहाँ पे was. अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक और चीज आपको नोटिस करना है कि आप ये जब हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे, ये हमेशा सब्जेक्ट को ध्यान में रखकर यूज करना है. यहाँ पे था I am gobbling cake, so we use this helping verb am. Here object cake is now subject, so we will use is, because is will go with this object cake. Third, fourth, present perfect. We have sung a song. Same, a song has been sung by us. Because we plural है, हमने इसके साथ have use किया, and यहाँ पे object subject बन गया. A song has been sung by us. Song के साथ has लगेगा. Present past perfect tense. they had spoiled the plan. The plan had been spoiled by them. यहाँ पे जैसे have been हो गया उसी तरह से past perfect में had been हो जाएगा. Okay? Next, simple future tense. You will eat a mango. A mango will be eaten by you. Next, future perfect. I will have done the job. The job will have been done by me. You must be noticing कि by सारे रूल्स में, सारे पैटर्न्स में, सारे सेंटेंसेस में यूज होता है. एक इंपॉर्टेंट नोट, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस एंड फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. देयर इज नो रूल ऑफ वॉइस चेंज इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर. ठीक है, इनके लिए कोई रूल नहीं है, इनका वॉइस चेंज नहीं होगा. जितने पैटर्न्स हमने डिस्कस किए सिर्फ उनका ही रूल चेंज होगा. और भी सेंटेंसेस हैं जैसे मॉडल्स का यूज करके, दोज वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास. टिल देन आपको इन सारे पैटर्न की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. आपके अपनी प्रैक्टिस बुक निकाल के उसमें जो सेट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज दिया हुआ है, सेट ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं, उनको आपको बनाना है. बस व्हाट डू यू नीड इज कि आपको बस जो सर्टेन रूल्स मैंने डिस्कस किए, बेसिक रूल्स मैंने डिस्कस किए, उनको आपको ध्यान में रखना है. हाउ द सब्जेक्ट चेंजेस इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, हाउ द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब चेंजेस इनटू द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. नेक्स्ट, इनके साथ कोई रूल नहीं होगा. ओके, सो थैंक यू. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.